Imagine driving beyond the edge of civilization, where paved roads disappear, phone signals die, and help is nothing more than a distant idea. In places like that, comfort alone won't protect you. You need strength, security, and the ability to survive completely on your own. That's where the Nissan Armored Camper changes everything. This is not a traditional RV built for campgrounds and scenic parking spots. The Nissan Armored Camper is designed for people who travel into uncertainty and stay there. It combines military-grade protection with luxury living, creating a vehicle that feels less like transportation and more like a mobile stronghold. At first glance, its presence is impossible to ignore. The exterior is built using reinforced armored steel panels designed to withstand extreme impacts and hostile conditions. Bullet-resistant glass replaces standard windows, offering clear visibility while maintaining serious protection. The shape of the body is purposeful, with angles engineered to deflect force in an elevated stance that allows the camper to conquer rugged terrain without hesitation. Underneath that armored shell lies a heavy-duty Nissan platform engineered for endurance. Power comes from a high-torque engine designed to pull heavy loads while remaining reliable in harsh environments. Whether imagined with a turbo diesel or a robust gasoline configuration, this camper focuses on torquey durability and long-distance capability rather than speed. A sophisticated four-wheel drive system constantly adapts to changing surfaces, delivering traction on sand, mud, snow, and rock. Reinforced suspension. Components support the added weight of armor and living systems without sacrificing stability. Heavy-duty brakes and run-flat tires ensure control even in emergency situations, allowing the vehicle to keep moving when ordinary campers would be forced to stop. This is a vehicle built to escape danger, not wait for it. Despite its armored construction, the Nissan Armored Camper is surprisingly refined on long journeys. Fuel capacity is extended for remote travel, and the drivetrain is engineered for efficiency over distance. Mechanical systems are designed to be dependable, reducing the risk of failure when professional assistance is miles or days away. Interior. Step inside and the atmosphere changes completely. The interior of the Nissan Armored Camper feels calm, controlled, and intentionally designed. Thick insulation and armored walls reduce noise and create a sense of isolation from the outside world. Once the doors close, the chaos of the environment fades, replaced by comfort and security. The sleeping area is designed for genuine rest. A full-size bed with premium materials provides comfort after long days on the road. Integrated storage compartments are built into the walls and flooring, maximizing space without clutter. Every detail is designed to be functional, efficient, and durable. Efficient and durable. The kitchenette is compact yet powerful. It includes modern cooking surfaces, refrigeration, and fresh water access, allowing full meals to be prepared anywhere in the world. Advanced water filtration systems ensure safe drinking water even in remote regions. Smart cabinet layouts and secure locking mechanisms keep everything in place during rough travel. Lighting plays a major role in the interior. Experience soft LED ambient lighting creates a warm, modern atmosphere that contrasts with the rugged exterior at night. The camper feels less like a survival vehicle and more like a private retreat. Off-grid capability is one of the Nissan Armored Camper's greatest strengths. High-capacity lithium battery systems power lighting, climate control, and essential electronics, without relying on external hookups. Solar panels integrated into the roof continuously recharge systems during daylight hours, while optional backup generators provide an extra layer of reliability for extended expeditions. Climate control systems are engineered to handle extreme temperatures. Whether parked in freezing mountain conditions or scorching desert heat, the interior remains comfortable and stable. Proper ventilation ensures fresh airflow while maintaining security. Safety remains a priority inside the cabin. Reinforced doors, secure locking systems, and optional interior monitoring cameras allow constant awareness of surroundings. Emergency exit solutions provide additional peace of mind in high-risk situations. Every feature is designed with the understanding that this camper may be used in unpredictable or dangerous environments. What truly defines the Nissan Armored Camper is its purpose. This is not a vehicle built around luxury for luxury's sake. It's built around freedom. The freedom to travel anywhere without fear. The freedom to live off the grid without sacrificing comfort. The freedom to continue moving when others are forced to turn back. This camper is ideal for overland explorers, journalists, security professionals, humanitarian workers, and adventurers who operate far from safe zones. It's a vehicle for people who understand that real exploration requires preparation, resilience, and self-reliance. The Nissan Armored Camper represents a new category of travel. It's not just about reaching destinations, it's about surviving them. It transforms the idea of a camper into something stronger, smarter, and far more capable. In a world where uncertainty is always present, this vehicle offers confidence. It's a reminder that with the right equipment, the unknown becomes manageable, dangerous places become accessible, and the road never truly ends. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Nissan Armored Camper, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more armored vehicles, luxury overland campers, and future mobility concepts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where adventure has no limits.